Hey, my name is Carson, and I'm doing this kid blog project for Miss Portier's 4th period class. So my topic is mud races. Basically, outside of Houston, every single year, they have this little sort of competition requiring muddy water. So people get out there from the city, and they put a bunch of water on some dirt there, and all around a field, and they just make a bunch of muddy water, and people come every year just outside of Houston, and they just have fun. Lots of people come from all around the world to this occasion. You need to be kind of qualified, though. There are obstacles that require a lot of muscle and physical activity to get across, but you can just have fun if you want. Just bring your kids, but there is some advice that some websites decide to do, like be physically required to do it. Bring shoes or socks that you're never going to use anymore because they're going to get really muddy. Just watch your health because you could be taking medication or something. That would be important. And some people have actually died from this. A famous golfer did actually, or some kind of sports person did die from this. So those websites did warn you about it and tell you information. Thank you.